Good evening, everyone. Today we are going to do a quick revision on the probability questions. Okay, so if we go chapter wise, probability and statistics together have a total weightage of 11 marks in the boards. So let's quickly revise, quick revision on probability. We know that the definition of probability of an event, P of E, is nothing but number of favorable or desired outcomes out of the total number of possible outcomes. Total possible outcomes are the outcomes that you're going to get in the sample space, right? We also know that probability of any event ranges is always going to be greater than 0 or equal to 0. It will be equal to 0 if your event is a event which is never going to happen. And it is going to be equal to 1 when it is surely going to happen. So it's a sure event and an uncertain event. And the probability of any event ranges from 0 to 1, right? We also know another topic where we say that if E represent an event, then E dash is not the event. And we know that the sum of probability of an event and probability of not an event is always 1. These are the basic concepts based on which we are going to start with the questions. Okay, moving ahead, we look at the first question. Very simple, based on the range of probability. What is the range of probability? Probability lies between 0 and 1, right? We just now wrote that probability of any event is either greater than or equal to 0 or less than or equal to 1. So its range is 0 to 1. Range is 0 to 1. What is the lower limit? Lower limit will be 0. We say the range is 0 to 1. So its lower limit is 0. Hence, what is our answer going to be? Our 0. Lower limit is 0. Right? Okay. Moving on to the next question. A box contains 10 cards. So total number of cards 10, of which 4 are blue, 3 are green, and the remaining are red. So there are 3 colored cards. Which are they? We have blue cards, we have green cards, and we have red cards. How many blue cards? Number of blue cards 4. Number of green cards 3. And we know the total number of cards. Total cards is given as 100 is 10. So definitely then the number of red cards is going to be 10 and blue plus green is 7. So 10 minus 7, 3 cards. Red is also 3. We have to find the probability of drawing a red card. A card which is red. Probability of drawing a red card will be number of red cards. What is the number of red cards? 3. And total number of cards 10. So you can write the answer as probability of the required event is either 3 by 10 or we can write it as 0.3. Right? Okay, moving on to the next question. We have one card is drawn from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Probability that the card drawn is a face card. Now, first of all, if we understand cards, okay, if we try to understand cards, we know there are two sets. We have red cards. In red, we have hearts and diamond. We have two colors, sorry, not two sets. We have two colors. Heart and diamond are red, whereas spade and club, these two are black. These are called as the suits of the cards. Now, each suit is going to have, say, 13 red cards, 13 heart cards, 13 diamond, 13 spades, and 13 clubs. Of all the cards, if I take one sample, say we talk about the heart card, okay, we have an ace card, a king, queen, jack, and then we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Of these cards, of these 13 cards, we have faces on these 3. Ace does not have a face on it. It just has a number. It is an alphabet card, but not a face card. So every suit has how many face cards? 1, 2, and 3. So we have 3 face cards of heart, 3 face cards of a diamond, 3 from club, and 3 from spade. We want to find the probability of drawing a face card. So total how many face cards? Total number of face cards will be 3 in each, and we have 4 suits, so we have 12 cards in our favor. So the probability of the event will be 12. Desired outcome is 12, and the total number of cards in a well shuffled deck is 52. So we are going to get 4 threes are 4 13s are. So the probability becomes 3 by 13. This is a heart card which is red, a diamond which is red, a spade which is black, and a club which is black. Right? Each suit has 13 cards, of which we know these are the face cards. We have faces for king, queen, and jack. So in each suit, we have 3 face cards, and we have 4 such suits. So 3 into 4, 12 cards are face cards. 12 face cards. And hence the probability of the event is 3 by 13. Next question.